I just wanted to show everybody how to clean a keyboard by putting it in the dishwasher. First, set it on the lower rack, slide it into the dishwasher, put some of your favorite detergent in the little tray. I like using Cascade, if it'll ever come out. There we go. Close the dishwasher. Set it to run. Once the cycle is complete, open your dishwasher and pull out your keyboard. Lastly, set the keyboard down outside in the sun to air dry. Give it a nice half hour and it will then be ready to use on your computer.